Hello everybody, a very good evening and a very warm welcome to yet another धमाकेदार फराटेदार and मजेदार session by Embibe. This is Pritesh, your host, your dost and a proud educator, welcoming you to the very important chapter from your grade 9, that is tissues. So we'll be today doing the most important questions and very good concept clearing and concept learning of the chapter tissues from your grade 9. So a very warm welcome to all of you. Before we move ahead, I want all of you to quickly give this video a big fat thumbs up. Do share this video with your friends and school WhatsApp groups, and also guys, subscribe to the channel because it's absolutely free of cost. And now guys, I want you to give a quick visit to the Embibe page, which is your one-stop destination for anything and everything that a student can ever ask for, whether it is test, assignment, study material, question, solution, explanation to solutions, whether it is books, reference books or NCRTs, whether it is in any language. Embibe page is your go-to place. So make sure that you pay a visit and also connect with us on Telegram, because Telegram page will help you to connect with us, get your doubts solved, get you get the timetable of the class, you get the PDF of the sessions and everything about the Embibe Achieve 9th and 10th channel. So make sure that you connect with us on Telegram as well. And now we begin with the chapter called Tissues from your grade 9. Very good evening Basit, how are you? तो हम लोग आज करने वाले हैं टिश्यूज इस चैप्टर के मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस. व्हाट एग्जैक्टली आर टिश्यूज? सो टिश्यूज आर नथिंग बट ग्रुप ऑफ सेल्स performing the same function. And tissues are of two types. You have got plant tissues and animal tissues. Under plant tissues, you have got your meristematic tissues and your permanent tissues. ठीक है? Under meristematic tissues, you have got apical meristem, lateral meristem and intercalary meristem. And under permanent tissues, you have got simple and complex. Under simple permanent tissues, you have got your parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. Under parenchyma, you have got your arenchyma and chlorenchyma. Correct? Talking about animal tissues. Animal tissues में you have got epithelial tissues, connective tissues. Epithelial tissues में you have got glandular, squamous, columnar, ciliated. ठीक है? You have got connective tissue under which you have got bone, cartilage, your bone, your cartilage, blood. ठीक है? Then you have got your voluntary वो तो मसल में आ गया, खैर voluntary and involuntary muscle tissues में also you have got your just like the connective tissue, you have also got adipose tissue, right? You have got areolar tissue, all of that are a part of your connective tissue. ठीक है? So these are your animal tissues and plant tissues. These only in detail we'll be studying with the help of MCQs. I want all of you to help me with the answers quickly and as correct as possible. If you're correct, that's amazing. If you're not correct, that's even better, because that is when we'll be learning. ठीक है? So you have got squamous epithelium, columnar epithelium, cuboidal epithelium, you have got glandular epithelium, ciliated epithelium, है ना? You have got different types of tissues in animals also. Animal tissues are more complex because of the complexity of the animal body as compared to the plant tissues. Plant tissues are more dead and less living, animal tissues are more living. Okay? Hi Arathi, very good evening. Let's start with the first question. Before that, The concepts that we are going to cover are plant and animal tissues MCQs. First question. Name the tissue that has no direct circulation and it is very, very difficult to heal. A very difficult tissue to heal. Connective, muscle, cartilage or bone. Muscular tissue may you have got, voluntary muscles, involuntary muscles. Voluntary muscles are skeletal muscles. Involuntary muscles may you have got smooth muscles, cardiac muscles, right? Striated, unstriated muscles. Cartilage is a type of connective tissue. Again, you have got nervous tissue which composes the neurons. Okay? So Arathi says A, Simran says C. What about Basit? Basit, what do you think? It is connective or cartilage? Very, very difficult to heal because it does not have any direct circulation. Mannat says D. Oh my God. Very good evening, Mannat. We have got 3 different answers. A, C, D. I want one more person to answer. Please अब B मत बोलना नहीं तो फिर मैं confuse हो जाऊंगा. चलिए Basit, what do you think? What is the answer? The tissue that is very difficult to heal because it doesn't have any direct circulation. Now here we talk about muscle cells, connective tissue may we have got many, right? We have got cartilage and bone. What do you think is the answer? I will give you say 30 seconds and your time starts now. Basit also thinks A. ठीक है, चलो. We'll wait for few more to join. And I'll give you 30 seconds, 10 seconds are up, I've got 20 more seconds. Sir, as we know, parenchyma has relatively unspecialized cells. What are unspecialized cells? Now we have got the unspecialized cells are the ones which have lost the capacity to divide, right? Lost the capacity to divide. Differentiation when we talk about. So your 3, 2, 1. Okay, so we are going with A because 2 of you have answered as A. So let's see whether A is the correct answer or not, right? The answer is not correct because connective tissue may we have got blood. Blood has direct circulation. The answer will be cartilage. Cartilage is also called as soft bone. Cartilage is also called as soft bone, right? It is present in the nose, ears, trachea, ribs. Hyaline cartilage. Hyaline cartilage is present at the points where the ribs join the sternum, that is the chest bone. Okay? And it is very difficult to heal because cartilage does not have direct circulation. Cartilage are avascular without indirect circulation by diffusion. It can only occur because the cartilage matrix is not calcified like bone and hence it takes time to heal. Bones have got calcified matrix. They have got osteocytes. It has got calcium and phosphorus in it. Okay? And with this we move on to the next question. I want you to answer promptly. Which of the following is responsible for secreting a substance and lubricates and keeps the surface moist? This one is very easy. Who is responsible for secretion? Stratified squamous epithelium, cuboidal, mucus or simple squamous? Which is responsible for secretion of lubricants? You know, for lubricating a substance. This one is very, very easy. Very, very easy this one is. इसका answer तो question में ही छुपा है. You read the options carefully and you will get the answer. Come on, easy peasy, Japanesey. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Quick, quick, very quick. 30 seconds and your time starts in 3, 2, 1, start. चलिए, give your answers. Mannat, Basit, Simran, Arathi. Try. Give it a shot. 15 seconds are up, 15 more seconds. Give it a try at least. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Going with Mannat, who thinks C is the answer. Let's see. Absolutely correct. As I told you, the answer is in the question itself. Mucous membrane is the correct answer. Okay, it is a secreting membrane. So mucous membrane secrete mucus which lubricates and keeps the surface moist. We have mucus across the stomach and the esophagus. It helps to keep the HCl away from direct contact of the smooth muscles of our internal organs. Okay? Then Next question, this one was very easy. Muscle tissue has the ability to, what is the capacity of the muscle tissue? Carry impulse, contract and produce active movement, provide framework for communication with the body, or cover exposed surface of the body. What is the function of the muscle tissue? Again, this is very simple. They have tried to complicate it by giving complicated options, but the answer is very, very easy. ठीक है? चलो. It is because, Mannat, parenchyma is present all over the body. You will find everywhere parenchyma in the plant. But collenchyma you will find only in the stems. Sclerenchyma you will find only in the barks. Right? They are dead cells. ठीक है? Parenchyma is relatively living. ठीक है? Living parenchyma. There are many types of cells which have a living parenchyma. Hi Aditya, very good evening. So Simran and Mannat both are saying B. I'll give you 30 seconds. Your time starts now. What is the answer to it? Even Basit says B. चलिए, बहुत बढ़िया. In the meanwhile, I'll tell you certain facts about muscles. So you need to know that muscles will always work in pairs. Work in pairs, which means if one contracts, the other relaxes. Then muscles can only pull. Muscles can only pull. We have got two types of muscles, skeletal muscles and smooth muscles. Skeletal muscles are attached to the bones. ठीक है? Smooth muscles are of the organs. चलो, most of you, all of you are saying B. देखते हैं सब जवाब इसका बिल्कुल सही. Muscles have the capacity to contract and relax. They have got contractile tissues. ठीक है, called the muscle fibers. They also contain actin and myosin filaments, and contractions result in the animal movement. Muscles can contract as well as relax. ठीक है? Okay, Mannat, what I'll do is I'll go through the NCERT and get back to you about this. ठीक है? I'll go through your NCERT. I'll also do my own research and I'll get back to you. ठीक है? चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. And here is the next question. Identify the part of neuron that houses the nucleus. So which part of the neuron houses the nucleus? The myelin, the dendrites, the neuroglia, or the cell body. Now we need to know the structure of a neuron for that. So how does a neuron look like? The neuron looks like this. ठीक है? This is your cyton, also called as cell body. This is your myelin sheath. This is your axon, and this is your dendrites. Where do you think is the nucleus? Where do you think is the nucleus? Hi Man9. So Man9 and Mannat both are saying D. I'll give you 30 seconds. Cyton is also called as the cell body. Aditya says D, Simran says B. Okay, 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Maximum of you are saying D. Let us see the hint. They are also called as cyton or soma. The answer is cell body. Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. ठीक है? It is called as cyton or cell body. So neurons have got specialized cell parts called cell body, cyton, dendrites and axons. Dendrites bring the electrical signals to the cell body, and axons take it to the next one. And the cell body only houses the nucleus, Dendrites and axons are cytoplasmic extension. Do you know that, okay, Mannat, what I'll do is, tomorrow I'm again coming live at 4 o'clock, so you can, I'll solve your doubt there. And there we'll be talking about control and coordination. So tomorrow I'm coming live at 4 o'clock with one shot on the chapter control and coordination from your grade 10. Okay? There you come back to me and I'll clarify your doubt. Okay? Done. So, talking about neurons, neurons do not have the capacity to divide, and that is why if any damage happens to the neurons, then that is a permanent damage. So neurons should be very, very well protected. Any damage to the neurons can cause permanent damage. Okay? Chalo. Which of the following cells protect the inner body parts and prevent the plant from drying out? Which part of the plants will prevent the plant from drying out? How does the plant does not dry out? Is it because of epidermal cells, parenchyma, sclerenchyma, or sieve tube cells? Why doesn't the plant dry out? What protects it? One shot for tissues, definitely it's going to happen. Come on, quick, very quick. Mannat thinks it's epidermal. Okay, 30 seconds. What do you think is the answer? Man9 thinks D, Mannat thinks A. 10 seconds are up, 20 more seconds. What about Bisat, Arathi, Simran, Aditya? Okay, Basit thinks it's D. Arathi, last 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so most of you are saying A. So let me see whether A is the correct answer or not. And you are absolutely right. It is the epidermal cells which prevent the plant from drying out. Epidermis is the outermost covering. Okay? It is the protective covering of plant roots, leaves and the stem. So basically epidermis is present everywhere. Everywhere across the plant body you have got epidermis. It also secretes a waxy cuticle which minimize the water loss and protect against bacteria. It also protects against injuries or abrasion. On the lower epidermis of dicot and monocot, you have got stomata which carries out the process of transpiration and exchange of gases. ठीक है? आदित्य एम्बाइब ऐप पे भी होती है, लेकिन YouTube पे तो 100% होती ही होती है. So as of now, I am coming on YouTube on Thursday at 3 p.m., 6 p.m. and 7 p.m. and on Friday at 4 p.m. and 8 p.m. But that is a mixture of Embibe Achieve 9th and 10th and Embibe Achieve class 6 to 8. So for 6 to 8, I am coming 2 times, on once on Thursday and once on Friday, and for 9th and 10th, I am coming 3 times, twice on Thursday and once on Friday. As of now, तो ये है, ठीक है? So again, it's epidermis that protects the plant from drying out. ठीक है? But I'm making more sessions for you guys. Like next week onwards, I'm bringing up a new series called Wordology of Biology. A very, very interesting series. A very, very interesting series called Wordology of Biology. In this series, what we are going to do is all the terms from A to Z. All the terms from A to Z of biology will be discussing. Every alphabet ke terms. So every day, like every day we'll be doing one alphabet. Suppose today we are starting with A. So what are the important words of bio that come from A? So we have got autosomes, abscisic acid, autotrophs, all these words from A we will do. Next day we'll do of B. Next day we'll do of C. Aise I'm coming up with all the alphabets from A to Z. I'm coming up with one more series for all of you called Super 30, where we'll be doing 30 very important concepts of bio from your exam point of view, from your NTSC point of view, from your NEET exam point of view, from your Olympiads point of view. So we'll be doing Super 30 where we'll be discussing 30 super important concepts. ये सिर्फ scholars के लिए है, आप सब scholars हो and you all will be taking up this series. It's free of cost, available on YouTube. ठीक है, तो YouTube and Embibe School page पे ये available है. We'll be doing it, we'll be doing the Super 30 concept series. We'll also be doing the Wordology of Biology. ठीक है, तो we'll be doing all of this and it will be fun. So next week onwards, I'm coming up with more sessions. ठीक है, coming to the next question, that is, which part of a leaf prevents the leaf from drying out as well as prevents gaseous exchange? So what prevents the leaf from drying out and prevents gaseous exchange? Is it stomata, subsidiary cells, spongy mesophyll, or palisade mesophyll? Who prevents the plant leaves from drying out and prevents gaseous exchange? Think and answer. 30 seconds. Your time starts now. Yes, Aditya, as of now, only her. Simran has given the answer. 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. ठीक है? As of now, Aditya, everything is free. Everything is free. You don't have to pay anything. ठीक है? चलिए. Let's see the hint as well. The hint is they are tiny pores present on the epidermis of the leaf. So I think Aditya and Mannat and Simran, you are right. Let's see. Very good. It is stomata that prevents the leaf from drying out as well as prevents the exchange of gases. So when the guard cells are completely full, the stomatal pore is closed and that prevents the plant from drying out as well as exchange of gases. On the lower epidermis of dicot and both surface of monocot, there are special guard cells from microscopic pores and regulate exchange gas and water loss. So that is your stomata. ठीक है? चलो. Next question. Yeah, but then Mannat, that depends on what is the situation. If when the guard cells are full, the gaseous exchange will not happen. It is only when the stomatal pore opens that the gas exchange happens and the water vapor is lost in the form by the process of transpiration. Which of the following statements about meristematic tissues is incorrect? Now we are talking about meristematic tissues. ठीक है? They contains cells which divide actively. So we have to find the incorrect statement. Incorrect. They contain cells which divide actively. They are found in growing tips of root and stem. They are living. They do not have cytoplasm but have large vacuole. Which of these is incorrect? Incorrect. ठीक है? Think and answer. Think and answer. Your time starts in 3, 2, 1 and start. You have got 30 seconds. Chalo, quick. Most of you are saying D. "15 seconds are up. Simran, Mannat, Aditya, Man 9. मैं गायब हो जाता हूँ. मैं यहीं पे हूँ. I can see you. I'm all here. Chalo, 3, 2, 1. Going with you guys. Going with D, which all of you have answered. Let's see whether we are right or wrong. We are absolutely correct. So meristematic cells are the dividing cells. We have got apical meristem, lateral meristem and intercalary meristem. They all are present at the tip of the root and the shoot and also in between, right? So they are present at the root and the stem. They are dividing, okay, and they have a dense cytoplasm. Okay? So vacuole may be present or absent, but they are smaller in size. They have a dense cytoplasm and they are dividing cells. They are dividing cells. So meristematic cells के बारे में भी we are absolutely right. Moving on to the next question. The next question is that which among the following is the living mechanical tissue in plants? Which of these is living? The hint is they have a cell wall made of cellulose and pectin. So which of these are living? Sclerin, perin, colin or arin? Which of these are living? I told you this. I told while answering Mannat. Living mechanical tissues. Sclerin, perin, colin or arin? Aditya thinks it's collenchyma. I'll give you 30 seconds. Your time starts now. Simran thinks it's parenchyma. Man 9 thinks it's collenchyma. Okay. Mannat thinks it's collenchyma. Mechanical tissue. Chalo, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Most of you have told C. Let's see whether C is correct or not. And you are absolutely right. It is parenchyma which gives flexibility, right? It gives flexibility to the plants. Okay, it is the living tissue. Parenchyma is simple permanent tissue and sclerenchyma is dead mechanical tissue. Okay, so parenchyma is the correct answer. Parenchyma is responsible for flexibility in the plants. Moving on to the next one. Parenchyma cells can be recognized by. How will you recognize parenchyma? By the presence of a cell wall, unevenly thickened cell wall, lack of nuclei at maturity, or large central vacuole with intercellular space. How will you recognize whether there is parenchyma or no? Think and answer. Again, 30 seconds. Come on, quick, very quick. How will you recognize whether there is parenchyma or no parenchyma? Or how will you say that whether the cell is parenchyma cell or collenchyma cell or sclerenchyma? How will you say? What are the characteristics? Okay, Mannat ne bola hai presence of a cell wall. Man 9 also thinks it's presence of a cell wall. Okay, 30 seconds. Your time starts now. Aditya also thinks it's presence of a cell wall. ठीक है? Chalo, quick, very quick. Easy peasy, Japanesey. Last 5 seconds. Okay, so going with the presence of a cell wall, it is oopsie daisy, not correct. The correct answer for identifying will be the presence of a large central vacuole with intercellular space. So your correct answer will be D. Parenchyma is the least specialized, as Mannat said that it is the least specialized. Cell of this type contains plastids, that is chloroplasts or colorized storage plastids. They are found in all organs. They are flexible, thin-walled cells. Usually parenchyma tissue is loosely arranged with lot of intercellular spaces. So Simran, you are right. Lots of intercellular spaces, as you can see over here. So this is your parenchyma. It has got lots of intercellular spaces. Can you see? Lots of intercellular spaces, very large nucleus, है ना? A large space large vacuole, a very large vacuole and a nucleus over here, dense nucleus and large intercellular spaces. So that is why the way to recognize parenchyma will be your large central vacuole with intercellular spaces. ठीक है? चलो. And with this we come to the last question on the chapter tissues. Next week we'll be doing a one shot on the chapter tissues where I'll be explaining you the entire chapter tissues in one class. Also, if you know any of your friends or cousins who are in grade 8, please tell them that from January 2023 I'm starting the academic sessions for grade 8. From January 2023, I am starting the academic sessions for grade 8 for bio. We'll be doing, your crop production. We'll be doing microorganisms, conservation, all your biology chapters of grade 8. Okay? Microvilli which function to increase the surface area are more likely to be found in which epithelium? They are likely to be found in simple columnar, transitional, simple squamous or cuboidal. In which epithelium will you find the microvilli which are a part of your small intestine? ठीक है? Done, Mannat. Done. I'll do it. Please watch the recording later. ठीक है? So where do you find the microvilli? You find it in simple columnar, transitional, squamous or cuboidal. So Simran and Mannat think it's columnar, whereas man 9 thinks Manish, I remember your name, it's Manish, right? Manish thinks it's cuboidal. Chalo, which means I have to give you 30 seconds and your time starts in 3, 2, 1, go. Chaliye, 30 seconds you have to answer this. Manish thinks it's cuboidal. Simran and Mannat think it's columnar. Let's see. What about Bisat, Arathi, Aditya? What do you think is the answer? Yes, Manish, obviously I remember you. Guys, please tell your friends or siblings or cousins who are in grade 8 that from January I'm starting academic sessions for grade 8 with crop production and management. Every week we'll be doing one chapter followed by a mega quiz. So we'll be doing crop production, we'll be doing microorganisms, we'll be doing conservation of plants and animals, we'll be doing all the chapters of biology. And tomorrow I'm coming with control and coordination for grade 10. Make sure you don't miss it. Chalo, time is up. Going with the majority of simple columnar. That is absolutely correct. So cuboidal तो यहाँ पे नहीं होगा, but columnar होंगे because they are long with cilia. So that is why it is columnar. ठीक है? That's great, Manish. That's really nice. So ask them to attend it tomorrow. Tomorrow I am doing control and coordination. ठीक है? Small intestine is highly adapted with absorption and that is why they have villi and microvilli, and columnar epithelium has elongated cells that resemble pillars or columns, and that is why they are present in the microvilli. So here you will have columnar epithelium which helps in absorption of nutrients during the process of digestion in the small intestine. Small intestine is the site for complete digestion. ठीक है? चलो इसके साथ guys we come to the end. I hope you guys had a good time. I know tissues chapter अभी तक आपको clear नहीं है, लेकिन very soon I'll be coming up with one shot of the entire chapter tissues, where we'll be dealing with what are tissues, plant tissues, animal tissues, meristematic tissues, permanent tissues. Meristematic में we have got your apical, lateral, intercalary. Permanent में we have got simple permanent, complex permanent. Simple permanent में we have got parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma. Paren में we have got aren and chloren. Complex mein we have got xylem and phloem. So we'll be doing all of that, but I want you guys to quickly give this video a big fat thumbs up. Do share this video with your friends and school WhatsApp groups and subscribe to the channel because it's absolutely free. Also guys, visit the Embibe page because it is your one-stop destination for anything and everything that a student can ever ask for. Test, assignment, study material, question, solution, explanation to solutions, or whether it is books, reference books, NCERT in any language, Embibe page is your place to go. Also, do connect with us on Telegram because here you get video messages from me, you get your notes, you get your timetable and everything else. ठीक है? I hope you guys enjoyed, and this is Pritesh, your host, your dost, and a proud educator from Embibe, signing off for now, and until we meet next, take care of yourself, stay healthy, stay happy, stay blessed, and do not forget to keep imbibing.
Keep imbibing. We believe in you.